Today we will learn how we can create QR code for plants so we can tag the plants and anyone who scans can access the plant details such as plantation date. So let's get started. First of all, we will use Google Docs by Google. You need to visit docs.google.com. Here click on blank document file. Now you need to add the plant details such as plant name, water, planting date, sunlight, benefits and other details. You can add as many details as you want to. Now we can also add an image. To add an image, click on Insert button, then Image, then click on Upload from computer. You can adjust the size of image. Now our file is ready with all details of our plant. Now click on the Share button. You need to make sure that this link is available for public, so change the restricted to anyone with the link and copy the link. Now open a new tab. Here search for qrgenerator.org. This website offers free QR codes for lifetime. Here make sure you select the correct type, which is link. Then paste the link we copied in the last step. As you can see, the QR code has been generated automatically. You can customize this QR code if you want to, but we will keep it simple and add a logo only. Once done, click the Save button and download in PNG format. Now it's time to test this QR code. To test it, we will use Scan QR app. You can search for it on Play Store. You can see as we scanned, the Google Docs link popped up. Now we will open this link. As you can see, we can see all the details of plant here. So this is how you can create a QR code for any plant. Once you generated them, you can print them and take each plant. Anyone who scans the QR can access the plant details. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe.